If you've ever wanted to insert an audio file into Microsoft Word and then play it directly from your document, this video is going to walk you through the entire process step by step. This is a really useful trick if you're creating training documents, lesson notes, project files, or any kind of document where you want to attach sound in a neat and simple way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add the audio file, how to make it appear as an icon, and how to open it again when you want to play it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or application folder, depending on how you normally launch Word. Once Word opens, open the document where you want to add the audio file. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new blank document. If you already have a document saved, just open that file so you can place the audio exactly where you want it. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Word. This tab contains different tools for adding media, images, tables, links, and other objects into your document. What we need for this method is the Object option, which is usually found in the Text section of the Insert ribbon. Click Object, and a small menu or dialog box will appear. From there, select Create from File. This tells Microsoft Word that you want to insert an existing file from your computer rather than creating a brand new embedded object. After that, click Browse so you can locate the audio file on your device. A File Explorer window will open, and now you can navigate to the folder where your audio file is saved. This might be an MP3, WAV, or another compatible audio format, depending on your version of Word and your system. Select the audio file you want to insert, then click Open. Once the file path appears in the dialog box, take a moment to check your settings. If you want the file to appear as a small clickable symbol instead of showing the full file preview, you can check Display as Icon. This is usually the best choice if you want your document to look clean and professional. It keeps the page tidy while still letting someone open the audio file whenever they need it. If you leave that unchecked, Word may display the object differently depending on the file type and your version of Word. After that, click OK to complete the insertion. Microsoft Word will now place the audio file into your document. If you chose the icon option, you'll see a little file icon appear inside the page. This icon represents the audio attachment. Now here's the important part. To play the audio file, simply double-click the icon. Word will open the file using your default media player or the app associated with that audio format on your computer. From there, you can listen to the audio just like you would with any normal file. If you need to move the audio icon around the page, just click and drag it to a new location. You can place it under a heading, next to a note, or anywhere that makes sense for your document layout. You can also resize the icon or adjust the surrounding text if needed, depending on how you want the page to look. One thing to keep in mind is that inserting the audio file this way usually embeds or links the file depending on your system settings and file behavior. So if you plan to share the document, it's a good idea to make sure the audio still opens properly on another computer. If you're creating a shared file, always test it after saving so you know the embedded audio works the way you expect. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert an audio file into Microsoft Word and play it by double-clicking the icon. It's a simple but powerful feature that can make your documents more interactive and useful. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more document shortcuts and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.